BCH, we start with 1 hour chart. If you refer to our analysis in my last video, all right, we have been looking for buy. Anyway, we have been looking for this correction. We have been looking for buy. But if you refer to my last video when the price was here, we mentioned the ways, the ways the reversing is really corrective. That's why we mentioned about the different possibility how we can look for buy. And we mentioned if the price continue from here, either we look for the sharp move and flag. This is the first option, which we get the trade, and the another option was to have been trade above this. Okay, that means we should be within this trade. And if anyone get this trade right now, they should at least start to manage. If they want to keep, at least book profit, not even the move their stop loss to break even. Okay, now we want to say what's the next. In this case, we move to daily chart. As you can see, based on daily chart, we have been looking for the reversal, and this is what we get. We have nothing to discuss. And if we move to 4 hour chart, as I mentioned, we have been looking for this correction in relative to this for running flat, and this is what we get. Now we want to see whether the price can break the previous stop, because we want to see whether the price can break and continue or not. Okay, that's why we have to manage our trade or book profits in case this one turn to bigger correction relative to this, either for the reversal, the price to drop, or bigger correction. Okay, anyway, we cannot right now, we don't have any trade set up to look for buy. As I mentioned, we are more interested for continuation. The only times we can look for trade if we get a correction here. Okay, right now the only things we need to do to manage our trade and manage our profits. Okay, book our profits. And right now we see the prices start to correct here. Okay, still we cannot look for any trade from this correction. It's better we wait, because we don't want to buy at this price and then the price, either this one turn to deeper correction or reversal, because we mentioned we want the price whether can break any of these two levels or not. Okay, as I mentioned, the only thing is we book our profit from this or take out the profit, and we, if we want to look for the next trade, we wait for a few more hours, then we see what we can get from here. Then if we get any trade set up, we get the confirmation, then we take the trade. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.